Hey, hey, hey. Great to see you, people. Here's what we got going on. So as you can see, bam, 1-8 additional practice. We're about to get done with this here in no time. Lickety split. Okay. We're still doing single digit times the power of 10. Let's see what we got here. Let's maybe zoom in a bit, right, on some of these problems, make them a little bit easier for us to read. So we're going to use a single digit and a power of 10 to estimate this number. Right, rounded to the nearest millionth. This number is about, well, again, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then right here, that 3 ain't going to do nothing. You ain't going to do nothing, little 3. Okay, we're going to call this a 7. Times 10, right? What do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Small numbers, negative powers. Okay? All right, let's head over here. Boom. All right. Oh, we need to see that population. Hold on, let me scroll. There it is, right there. Okay. So estimate this to the nearest 10 million, right? Well, again, look here at the 3, right? Is that 8 going to do something? Yeah, it's going to round it up. So this should be 1, 2, 3, bam, right there. Okay. So, written as a power of 10, this should be 4 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th power. Okay, hope we're doing good. All right, we'll try to go through these a little bit quicker. Again, if you're using this, pause these, try these questions. You know what I mean? Like, you guys try them. Come in here and check this out. So we got planet Y, planet X, right? Planet X is about this many times greater than planet Y. Okay? So the mass of planet Y, where are you at? Right here. Bam. How many times greater is that? Well, we got to write this with a single digit to a power of 10. So this would be 5 times 10 to the, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 21, 22. You guys good with that? I hope so. Okay. 5 times 10 to the, I feel like I didn't count that right. Hold on. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, 20. I see, I knew something wasn't right. That just didn't look right. There you go, 21. Planet X, again, here's its number. We're just going to say that, again, is this 4 going to round that up? No. So we're just going to leave it as 8 times 10 to the 22nd. The mass of planet X, that's this one, is about how many times greater. Times greater means divide, guys. Take the bigger number, divide that by the smaller number. So this divided by this is roughly, right? Roughly. Again, we can divide these numbers. We got a power of 10. We're going to end up with roughly, 15, 16, somewhere in that neighborhood, times greater. Okay. And you guys will get better at those. So if you're struggling with those, don't worry. We're gonna have a whole bunch more. You'll get better. I know you will. Okay. All right. About how many times greater is the number of dogs than cats? Okay. About how many times greater? So country A has this many. Country B has this many. Okay. So about how many times greater are the number of dogs in country A than country B. So guys, country A is this number right here. We need that as a single digit and a power of 10. 3, 6, 7. We should have that number. Okay? Country B is this number, right? We'll just call this 5 times 10 to the 7th. Okay? So I don't know. 2 divided by 5. What's 2 divided? What's 2/5? 2/5 is what is that, like 0.4 as a decimal, right? This is going to be 10 to the first power. So if we came up with 4 times, I think that would make all of us happy. Okay. Again, guys, if you take bigger number divided by small, I guarantee you're going to get something close to 4. Pretty sure he will. Okay? So again, we don't have to, work. We say this all the time, guys. Work smarter, not harder. Estimate. I feel like this is all we're doing. To the nearest thousandth, express your answer as a single digit times the power of 10. Guys, we should get 8 times 10 to a negative power. That negative power would be 3. Okay? 8 times 10 to the negative third power. Go away. Which number has a greater value? This one or this one? Which number greater value? 7 times 10 to the 9th, 6 times 10 to the negative 4th. Which one is it? Any guesses out there, guys, before I tell you? There you go, that one right there. 6 times 10 to the negative 4th. Okay. Moving on, question 7. This is another one of those annoying questions. Don't like them, but we better get good at them. Move over there. All right. Continent X has an area of this. Continent Y has an area of that. About how many times larger is Y than X? So take Y divided by X, guys. Write some numbers here for them. Continent Y, right here. I'm going to say that that's 6 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7th power. Right? I'm going to compare that or divide that to continent X, which is this number right here. Again, the 2 is not going to round that 6 up. It's going to keep it the same. So we're just going to say, hey, this is 6 times 10 to the 6th power. Okay? Sounds good? Guys, what's 6 divided by 6? 1. Can you just do quotient rule on here for me? What's 10 to the 7th divided by 10 to the 6th? Quotient rule. Keep the base, subtract the powers. 7 minus 6 is 1. So this is 10 to the 1st, which is also just 10 times greater. Okay? 1 times 10 to the 1st is just like 1 times 10. Just the number 10. Okay? Cool. Halfway there. Flip over, guys. We're on the back. My man Deion. Prime time. Deion Sanders. That's what we're talking about. You guys don't even know who that is. All right. Anyway, he made this much last year. Expresses as a single digit times the power of 10, rounded to the nearest 10,000th. Okay. We can handle this. We should get 7 times 10 to the power of 4. Okay. Number 9, we got rectangle stuff going on over here. Let's take a look. How many times greater is the length than the width? So again, here's the length, 8 times 10 to the 4th. Here's the width. About how many times greater? I'm not making this up, guys. You can throw that in your calculator. You can do some division. It's going to be just fine. I promise. Okay? 8 divided by 4, 2. Same number divided by the same number, just 1. Right? What's 2 times 1? 2. Right? So the length is the length is about 2 times greater than the width. Okie dokie. Just bebopping right along. Here we go. Tara incorrectly estimates this number as that. Right? Is she right? Well, I'm assuming no. You just told us she was incorrect. I'm a good reader and I knew this. So what is this number, people? Right? What is this number here? Well, this is going to be, hey, look here. That 6 is going to round it up. So it is going to be a 4 times 10 number. She hasn't screwed anything up yet, but she can't count her zeros right. Because all of these are going to be zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where she stopped. 7, 8, 9. Should have 10 of them there, Tara. Come on. Be a better counter. Know your zeros. All right, 11. Here we go. We just got to be a good reader for one of these questions, guys. It says an astronomical unit, which they call an AU. This is science stuff here. Is about this many miles. Estimate this, right, for us. Okay, we can handle that. So, again, 9, that 2. It's not going to do anything. So this is really going to be 9 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So there it is. That's your answer. Okay. Venus is about this many astronomical units. Again, this is 1 astronomical unit right here. This many miles. It's a lot of miles. All right. So Venus is about that far from the sun. Mars is 1.5 astronomical units from the sun. Which one's closest to Earth? I have no idea. I don't even know how we can solve this. Well, we have to know our planets. We have to know our order. We got to draw a picture, right, of the planets. How far are they away from each other? We got to do some multiplying with these numbers to figure out some distances. Look, I'm just going to tell you right now, guys, it's Venus. Okay? Again, if you want to do the calculations, ask Mr. Knoll. He loves that stuff. All right? Nope, we got to be a mouse. Moving on. Here we go. We're getting close to the end. 12. Which ones are we filling in? Should fill in 3. Go try it. 3. Not 2. Not 1. Not 5. Not 6. Not 7. But 3. All right. Correct ones are this one right here. And who's got the last one? Who knows the last one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the... Yep, you got it. Last one. Okay? Very last question. We got to express this number as a power of 10 rounded to whatever. Here we go. You ready? 3 times 10. What power do you think we're going to put there? It's negative because we got a small number. 7. There you go. All right, guys. Hey, so that was our additional practice. Hope you had fun. Hope you got some good practice in here. Hope you did well on it. Other than that, we should be pretty much ready now to hop into our Math Excel, right? Maybe there's some quizzes for us. Ooh, yes. And then into our bookwork. So, as always, keep working hard. Keep being great. We'll see you guys later. Take care.